What's up, people? It's about Big J back with another amazing episode. In today's video, it's all about celebration. We are about to unbox our Osmo Pocket 3 that we have achieved together as a family. It is your like, your support, your one view that have brought us this far. So I couldn't unbox this Osmo Pocket 3 without showing it to you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the support. Let's keep liking, let's keep sharing, let's keep encouraging people to come back to the channel. Let's keep watching because we are making it big. We are going places. So let's do it together, family, man. Thank you guys, man. I'm so excited today, man. So this is the Osmo Pocket 3. This is the creator combo. You can see this is the creator combo. So I'm about to open it. Yeah. So the creator combo, it comes with a cable. This is the charger. The cable is a USB Type-C. We're gonna try everything so you guys can see. I hope you guys can see me, huh? Yeah, so this is the Osmo Pocket 3 DJI bag. This is where the camera is, microphone and all the stuff. And here, this is the manual. And then this is the stand for the camera. Yay! Habibi! We did it, guys. So let's go with no wasting time. This is the DJI Mark II. You see DJI Mark II transmitter. And here, this is the deck cap for the DJI Mark II transmitter. Just in case you are out there filming and it's kind of a winner. So this will help to give you a kind of a very good audio. And this is the handle for the camera. And this is the additional battery handle. Yeah, so they have the stand-up package and they have the creator combo. If you go for the stand-up package, so in here, this is all in here. This is the back. So if you go for the stand-up package, you won't get the additional battery handle. You won't get the DJI Mark II transmitter, and you won't also be given this little tripod stem. You won't be given this one. Yeah, so this is this additional cover. Yeah, I got this one myself. I place it on it because I don't want the camera to be more vulnerable. That's why I got this one, and I just placed it back so we could do the unboxing together as a team. Now this is our baby girl, DJI. Oh, sorry guys. So this is our camera. We are about to give you quality content. Now I'm not going to be using the GoPro Hero 10 on my mobile phone. Now I'll be giving you guys quality content. No more excuse, man. So to put the camera on, it's like this. You just flip the screen on like this. You can see. Yeah. For protection, I like to put my hand in this one. You guys can see, right? I guess you guys can see me, right? Habibi, can you see me, right? Okay. Yeah. So this is the Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. So now if you want to add this additional battery, all you gotta do is to clip this battery on here. Just hold on a second. Put the battery on here to get this battery clip. There's two pin on the side. You have to make sure it hook inside this one and this one. And then where is our tripod? And we'll put the tripod, the stem on here, like a mini tripod, you know. Yeah. So now you have to make sure you hook here. Now you have the camera. You are ready to film. Okay, guys. So let's give it a try. Hey, guys. It's about Big J Live with another amazing episode unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo live right here in Accra, Ghana. Habibi. I'm so excited, man. It has been a journey. For those of you that have been around since the genesis of this channel, you know how far we have come as a family. Over 2 years now, since 2022, May 1st, we started this channel. It has been, I mean, there have been low moments and there have been high moments. And some of you guys have been sticking around. So whenever we reach as a team, every little achievement, we got to celebrate together as a family. So I appreciate you guys. This is the Osmo Pocket 3. You can see it's already on. It's working. It also has a gimbal. So if I want to flip the camera to me, all I gotta do is just to press here. You see when I press here, and now it will flip to me. Can you see me? Can you see me? Yeah. So to put it off, I just gotta do like this, and then it will switch up. Now we check the resolution. It shoots in up to 4K. You can see now it's currently set on 4K, and then there is shooting 4K, 1080p and 4K, 1080p and 4K. But I'm gonna be shooting in 4K, and they have the frame rate have 24 frame, 25 FPS, 30 FPS, and 60. Yeah, 25 FPS, 4K, 25 FPS, and 30 FPS for like on night mode. For let's just see, because now it's on night mode. Let's put it on day. On video mode, and then on video mode, let's see what it does in video mode. On video mode, it can shoot in up to 50 and 60 FPS in video mode. Night mode maximum resolution it can shoot in is 30 FPS, but video mode it can shoot in up to 60 FPS or 50 FPS 4K. Yeah, so I'm gonna be pretty much shooting in 30 FPS in video mode. Yeah, if you want to get a kind of a smooth footage for slow motion, you can shoot your video in 4K, 60 FPS. So in post production, you'll have kind of a flexibility to slow down the footage. There won't be too much, the footage won't be that blurry. Yeah, so let's see here again what it has again. So now you can also make the gimbal to follow you if you want it to follow you. Let's put it down. Let's see. Now, if I want to unplug this one, all I have to do is to click here. You see here like this. Now I get my battery unplugged, the additional battery. Now I can put this one here like this. You always have to make sure these two pins click at the side. Now it's clicked there. Now I can get this one off here like this and put this one here like this. Yeah. So now let's get our microphone cap. So now this is the deck cap. What I gotta do this one just to put it up here, get a pin. Bam. There you go. And then on the side here, it's a Bluetooth. So once you put this one on, automatically will connect. You see it has already been connected, showing the percentage of the battery of the DJI Mark II, which is 40%. Like I said when I bought it initially, I had to open it to try everything, but I just had to keep it for using to show it to you guys. Yeah, so now it's on 40%. It's automatic connected. You can see at the top here, you can see the green bar there, right? So while I talk now, we'll go to hello. Guys, can you hear me? Big J subscribers, can you hear me? It's about Big J live in Accra, Ghana, trying to DJ Osmo Pocket 3 live. Guys, don't get angry with me, eh? I'm just excited, man. I'm just excited, I'm excited because we are almost at 2K subscribers, and now we have our Osmo Pocket 3, so we can make it big. So we are very, very close to hitting 2K. Let's share the video. Let's keep sharing the video on our stories. It can be WhatsApp story. You can support me by sharing the video on your WhatsApp story, on your Instagram story. You can follow me on Instagram. Let's just hit 2K before this week comes to our end. Today is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Let's hit 2K. We just need 30 or 40 more subscribers to hit 2K. 40 more subscribers you need to hit 2K. So guys, let's hit 2K, man. This is the microphone, and I also got additional microphone handle here. This one, just in case I'm going out there to interview people, I can use this one. Yeah, so here I will just click the Mark II here. I will just put the Mark II in here like this. See what I'm talking about? All I have to do is to put the Mark II in there like this. You see it now, right? Then I put this one here like this. I have to move the wing off. I'm definitely going to move it when I'm doing that, but not just a trial. And I put it here. Hey, what's up? Habibi Charlie, what do you love most about Ghana? Ghana Jollof and Nigeria Jollof, which one is the best? I know Ghanaians will say Ghana Jollof and Nigerians will say Nigerian Jollof. Don't play. So we got this one here for all of our street vlogs. So moving forward, now you're going to be getting quality content when I hit the street out there to ask people Ghana Jollof and Nigerian Jollof, which one is the best, or to ask people what is so unique about Ghanaian women, what is so unique about Nigerian women, or what is so unique, what do you love the most about your country. We're going to be getting good content out there. So now we have this one here. We have our bag. And the machine is just always here, apart from my other job, to do some editing, to make sure every day I give you content. So moving forward, every day you will have a content. Every day there will be a video on my channel. Every single day there will be a video on my channel. As I speak now, the video for tomorrow has already been uploaded. Everything confirmed. Just waiting for the time to premiere. Boom! You have a video from Big J to watch, man. Yeah, so guys, that's it, man. Thank you so much for the love. I appreciate everything. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, give the video a like, and also leave an amazing comment down below what you have learned from this channel or how long you have been on the channel. Just share our, let's share some celebration. Let's just, celebrate together as a team, man. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it, man. Congratulations to our newborn baby, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Happy come to Accra.